What is up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be talking about how to afford a freaking plant-based lifestyle. Now, I've gotten this, Clinton, you must have the you must have the ka-ching if you want to afford the lifestyle, the vegan lifestyle. You must be making it rain. It must be like a rap video, and that is so not true. That is not true. It's not true. First of all, I would say focus on cheap carbohydrate sources. If you're not focusing on cheap carbohydrate sources, then you've got no one else to blame but yourself. Cheap carbohydrate sources like potatoes, rice, pasta, when it comes to fruit, bananas, dates. If you want to get the antioxidants in, like frozen mixed berries, you can get frozen bags of peas, frozen bags of sweet corn. You can get things of lentils, dry lentils, and dry peas and stuff like that. If you're not focused on those, you have no one else to blame but yourself. You got no one else to blame but yourself. Why? Because a huge portion of the world lives on less than $2 a day, and their staples are like things like rice or whatever seasonal vegetables that they have, or whatever fruit that they can get. So it's still a high carb plant based lifestyle, and it's something that it's available all year round. The good thing about these foods that I mentioned, especially the rice and the potatoes and the pasta, etc., you can get these foods in bulk. You can get it in bulk, and you can get the beans and lentils and all these different things in bulk. So you'll be saving yourself money. Maybe you have kids and stuff like that. You've got different mouths to feed. What other staples are you going to be able to get this array of carbohydrate calories from than the ones that I've mentioned? Especially if you're cutting out the meat, you're cutting out the dairy, you're cutting out the fish and the eggs, you're cutting out all the expensive oils and stuff like that. You're getting rid of all the fast food takeaways. You're getting serious about a healthy lifestyle, so you're getting rid of all the alcohol or the excessive drugs or the money you're pouring into that. And now you have all this money available for potatoes, rice, corn, sweet potatoes, bananas, dates, frozen berries, peas, sweet corn, all these different things. And whenever you go to the vet shop, another good money saving tip is go for vegetables that are got like good volume for whatever you pay. So like the cabbages, mainly the cabbages. Actually, that's what I was actually thinking of mine. Kale. These things are very nutrient dense, and you can get a good size of it most of the time. And there is ways around it. If you really want to adopt this lifestyle, you can find a way. And with all these different things, focus on cheap carbohydrate staples. Get the seasonal fruits and vegetables, buy in bulk. And invest in yourself, invest in this lifestyle, and like pull it away from unhealthy sort of habits. This lifestyle can be affordable. I started this whenever I was 19, and I was in university, and living on like student loan and stuff like that. And like I remember I was just living on like ripe bananas, had like oatmeal and stuff like that. And yeah, I had no problems making the recipe as a student. And again, most of the world is living on like $2 a day, the rice, vegetables, fruit. So it is possible. It is possible. And I'll just say that you are worth it. You are worth it. That being said, let me know, what is your favorite carbohydrate source? Mine is probably, it's hard, but I'm just gonna throw it out there. Probably like, but dates, bananas, potatoes, and rice. Those are my favorite. That being said, please leave a comment below, like and subscribe. Until next time.